Hi there, Rick here. It's May 17th, Friday, 2024. I was just checking my Microsoft app here, okay? There's big changes in the market. Look at that. Okay? You see that? Gold is up about $25.30, okay? Its new high is $2,410.80. So 1.6% increase, okay? Silver, okay, it's up 95 cents. That is huge, okay? You have to remember, I've been following the price of silver for quite a number of years, and I've never seen jumps like this before in my entire life, okay? Its new high is $30.62. It's a movement from the last price of from last night's price of 3.20%. Okay, that's quite high. Okay, going into my IQ Edge right now. Okay, remember this stock I was telling you about, CRKN? Okay, yesterday it closed at what, about 21 cents, and then it hit a high today of what is it? 58.60 cents. Okay, so that's about a 200% increase right there. Okay, so seeing how gold and silver has moved up, okay, so should my mining stock usually go up too. Okay, so you can see my SLV right there. Okay, it's showing what is it, 1,500 US dollar profit. My IAG, I am gold, okay, showing a profit of $250 US. First Majestic Silver, okay, this is probably like a new high for it. Well, pretty close to the high of you know, about a week ago or a week and a half. $10.57 right there. Okay, it's showing a profit of $2,070 Canadian. Okay, you know, that's a new high. Okay, like, okay, it just changed to you see, $2,080 now. Okay, I'm just gonna figure out the profit in Canadian here. I'm gonna convert the US dollars. The combination of okay, my positions, if I cashed out, this was just a few days ago, and it was around 2,500 Canadian. Okay, I was just saying how that was pretty good. I just worked it out right now. Okay, I converted the US dollars to Canadian. Okay, and it worked out to $4,342 Canadian. Okay, I'll say that again, $4,342 Canadian. You know, if I added my what is it, Canadian profits, $2,017 plus the 1,750 US dollars together, converted the US dollars to Canadian, it came out to $4,342 Canadian. Pretty good, yeah, for like what, a little bit more than a month and a half of trading. Okay, yeah, you know, if you had traded alongside me here, you would be over $4,000 Canadian richer. So yeah, that's pretty good. I just want, yeah, okay, I'm looking at First Majestic Silver right here. It's up 45 cents today, and it's up 4.46%. 1.18 million shares have already been traded in it. Okay, I'm gonna bring you up. It's in the 5-day, 2-minute candle. Okay, so I see that, okay, when it opened, it took a dip, okay, down to about what, 10.13, and it shot up all the way to like 10.83. So what? It's about a 70-cent movement from the low to the high. Okay, you see that there? Right now it's hovering around 1056. We're gonna have a look at the 1 month here. 1 month, 10-minute candle. Okay, so yeah, this is the highest it's ever been in a one month period. Its previous high was 1048. Okay, but you know, it broke that. It hit a high of 1083 and retracted to 1084. Okay, sorry, 1054. So I think that this bull run is, well, it's going to continue, right? And, you know, there's going to be some people that are going to make a lot of money, okay? If gold does hit like, you know, $3,000 Canadian. Because you have to remember there's people that are shorting gold too, okay? And you have to be very careful when you do that, because you can be caught what's called a short squeeze, okay? So what that is that you're trying to short the particular commodity, okay, gold, and it just gets out of your control. You can't manage to keep the price down, okay? And your broker calls you up and says, okay, you know, you have to put down more money to cover your losses. It might be, I don't know, $50 million. It might be a few $100 million. It might even be as high as $1 billion, okay? That's why it's so dangerous sometimes when you're shorting. Like these people, okay, I hear that some of the big banks are shorting gold, okay? Very dangerous, because they don't have a limitless amount of money, okay? Unlike the Federal Reserve, okay? The Federal Reserve can just print more money when they need it. But the central banks, no, they still have a limited amount of money. They have lots of money, okay? But it's not limitless, okay? If they're taking like a $3 billion loss, yes, that does hurt them. And yeah, I could see maybe somebody even getting fired over that too, because they made a very bad move in the company, and it cost the company $3 billion.